So today I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. Welcome to my messy closet. I am going to be Konmaring, Marie Kondoing the unicorns out of this place. I have been starting to just feel so kind of like, bleh, like there is just so much going on in my room. My room is a disaster. Way too many things that are not bringing me joy. So today's the day. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's get started. And you guys can come along and watch me do it. All right. I hope the angle's good. I am just going through my closet right now and I am just finding out what brings me joy and what doesn't. So I've already done this side. So I'm going through here. I've got a lot of I have a lot of stuff, but most of it doesn't bring me joy. Like this. Doesn't. So it's gonna go. Bye-bye. This is so old and it kind of brings me joy. So does that. Even though it's ugly. But this is, I don't know, it doesn't bring me joy. Have you guys tried this? You guys should try it. I keep putting it off. Ooh, that brings me oh, I love it. See, it's good color on me too. Brings me joy. That brings me enough joy. I love this. Ooh. So yeah, I feel like I've gotten kind of in a funk lately, and one of the best things I've found when I'm feeling just kind of funky and not doing too amazing is to just get purging and just clean and then like reorganize my space and make things look better. So that's what I'm doing today, and I just feel like the energy flows better. I'm so out of the camera right now. I don't know how to fix this. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing today. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I definitely recommend it. I'll probably make a little video of my big pile of stuff that I'm getting rid of, and I'm trying to figure out where I should give my stuff to, because a lot of it's, you know, it's not bad stuff. It's not ripped or stained. So I'm thinking I kind of struggle with giving it to like Goodwill and those places, because I feel like they just take their free stuff and then they charge people for it. So I'm trying to find a place that I'll donate to and they give it for free. And I think I know just the place, because there's a local church I go to, and they, once a month, people give donations and they open up this whole room. I mean, it's a lot of work for them. God bless them. But they organize and put everything in sizes and racks, and people can come who need clothes, and they can just come in and they can take like 10 pieces of whatever they want. So I think that's where it's going. Okay, you guys, that's a lot of stuff I'm getting rid of. But yeah, it feels way better, and hopefully you guys will do some purging and it's gonna feel amazing. Bye.